Hello, my name's Amy. I assist the support team at Ablestar, and today I'm going to show you how to run a sale on your Shopify products using Ablestar Bulk Product Editor. It allows you to quickly change prices, schedule the sale, and even revert the price changes once the promotion is done. This can free up your time so you can focus on other things like marketing and promoting your sale. Here in the in-app editor, we have an example store that we'd like to discount prices on all Nike shoes by 15% and then add them to a special collection for a special promotion. So if I open up the Ablestar Bulk Product Editor and get started, the first step will be to filter for the products that we want to edit by clicking the filter button. And I'm going to select vendor, and I'd like to choose all Nike vendors that I have here. It looks like 101 products are now filtered. So we can click to edit the products and make the configurations. We're just going to click the Edit Products button. And from the Configure Modifications view, we want to modify the price field, which is always set by default. And we're going to edit it by decreasing the percentage, which is already selected. And we're going to specify 15% here. And we're also going to tell it to round the value to the nearest 95th decimal. And then we also want to set the compare at price so that the user on the front end can see both the original price and the new discounted price. So we'll expand this modifications to compare at price field. And we're going to choose the set the compare at price to the current price. Now that we have the price and the compare at price configured, we're going to add one more modification by clicking this Add Modification button. We're going to search for a manual collection that I had created for a promotion called New Year Promo. And we're going to, instead of clicking to run edits right away, we're going to click to schedule the edit. And we're going to configure the start date, let's say in December for the new year. So December 26th, maybe at midnight. And we'd like to end the promotion, let's say January 2nd, also at midnight. And then we're going to click the schedule button to save. And you can see here it's scheduled to start on December 26th at 12 a.m. So this means you don't actually have to stay up until that time to watch or to trigger the sale to start. And you can see all the preview below of the changes that are going to be happening. So you can see the compare at price shows the previous price. It also shows that it's scheduled and that it'll be added to a manual collection. The last thing we should do is rename this edit to help us keep track of the edit more easily later on. You would click the More Actions button, rename, and call it something specific that helps you remember for later. And then what that means if you're ever to click on the History navigation menu, you can see that the New Year promo is scheduled, and you can also click on that to see what configurations you have scheduled to come up. And you won't need to be awake at midnight for the future sale. So if you were awake at midnight and you felt like checking the app at that time, you would see all of these changes being modified in the present. And then once the edits are complete, we can verify that data correctly by going back to the Shopify product admin to verify the changes had been made. And that's how easy it is to use Ablestar Bulk Editor to run sales. You can quickly schedule sales by changing prices, add compare at prices, and change collections. You can also conclude the sale either manually or at a scheduled time. Get started today for free by downloading the Ablestar Bulk Editor, and make sure you get in touch with us if you need assistance or have any questions. We are so happy to help. Reach out anytime to our support team 24/7 with questions. Thank you.